Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Lenovo Tab M11 and Lenovo Tab M10. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next, compare display features. Tab M11 comes with a 11 inches IPS LCD display and M10 comes with a 10.6 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Tab M10 powered by the Snapdragon chipset and M11 powered by the Mediatek chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Both two tablets feature 30 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. Next, compare the battery features. Both two tablets come with Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi and storage speakers. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.